In order to train as hard as possible, you must retain a clear image of your purpose. Once your goal is sharply, but realistically defined, all that remains is carrying out your plan. Don't, however, worry about your individual potential. Potential is only the expression of a possibility, something that can be assessed accurately only in retrospect. In other words, you'll never know how good you might have become unless you try. So let's get with it.
Hours a day do you have to work to develop a physique like that? Well, most bodybuilders train at least 3 hours a day, 6 days a week, but I only train a total of 3 hours a week. Okay, what do you do during those hours? Train very hard.